What is meant by coterminal angles? If any two or more angles have a same terminal side in standard position, then that angles are called coterminal angles. Cheppandamma. If two or more angles have the same terminal side in a standard position are called coterminal angles. Okay, what is the coterminal angle of 30 degrees? Anyone? If two or more angles have the same terminal side in standard position, then such angles are called coterminal angles. Same terminal side. What is the meaning of standard position? That ray has taken from origin, then that ray has a standard position. See, this is the ray I have taken. It is the standard position. Standard position of the ray is nothing but that initial point must be at the origin. It is 30 degrees. It is the ray makes an angle 30 degrees kada. ఇంకేదైనా రే ఇలా తిరుగుద్ది కదా, తిరిగేటప్పుడు ఇక్కడికి వచ్చింది అనుకో, అదే దాని టెర్మినల్ సైడ్. ఇంకిలా ఇటు వచ్చింది అనుకో, అదే దాని టెర్మినల్ సైడ్. ఫస్ట్ ఎవ్రీ రే మూవ్స్ ఫ్రమ్ x axis only, no? One angle moves from initial ray to final ray. So this you called as terminal side. It has 30 degrees. ఇంకొక యాంగిల్ చూద్దాం. ఆ యాంగిల్ కూడా ఏమవ్వాలి, ఇలా 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 రొటేట్ అయ్యి మళ్ళీ ఇక్కడికి వచ్చింది అనుకోండి. అప్పుడు ఈ యాంగిల్ టెర్మినల్ సైడు ఆ యాంగిల్ టెర్మినల్ సైడు సేమ్ పొజిషన్లో ఉన్నాయి కదా. మరి ఏమవుతుంది ఇప్పుడు? ఆ యాంగిల్ ఏమవుతుందో చెప్పగలరా? టెల్ మీ దట్ యాంగిల్. Yes, fantastic. Fantastic. Observe here. When it takes a complete rotation, then definitely that angle terminal side is coincide with initial terminal side. Once again, I am drawing here. Observe. One ray. Initial position of the ray is this, Nana. It moves 30 degrees. Then final position of this ray is OB. It is 30 degrees. Now every ray starts from OA only, no? Because we are taking in standard position. Standard position. Standard position is nothing but at origin. Now one more ray you take it. It moves like this, like this, like this, like this, like this, like this, and has to coincide with it because both rays are same. No, this is OB, this is, suppose you take it as a OC. Now what is the angle made by the OC? It complete one rotation and coincide with OB. So that's why this angle how much? This is 30 degree. This is completely 360 degrees and this is 30 degrees. Total it has a 390 degrees. So the coterminal angle of 30 degrees is 390 degrees. 390 degrees. Again add one more 360. Add one more 360. 360 one more add it. Then 450 degrees only now. Add 750. Add one more 360. So 390 plus 360 how much? 750 degrees. 360 plus 390 750 degrees. These angles are called coterminal angles. Coterminal angles means its terminal side is same. That angles, all angles terminal sides are same, then definitely that angles are called coterminal angles. Okay, what is meant by allied angles? What is meant by allied angles? What is meant by allied angles? Any two angles are said to be allied angles if their sum or difference is a multiple of 90 degrees or 0. 0 also we called as multiple of 90. No? Okay, multiple of 90 degrees or 0. Suppose you take a one angle. What is the allied angle of 60 degrees? What is the allied angle of 60 degrees means both angles sum or difference must be 90 degrees. No, these two angles are allied angles because 60 degrees plus 30 degrees, how much? 90 degrees. 60 minus 60, 0 degrees. 0 degrees also minus 60 degrees plus 60 degrees. Observe, add both, will get 0. These two also allied angles. These two also allied angles. Okay, these are allied angles. Okay, and 30. Again add 30 degrees and one more allied angle of it. Tell me, one more allied angle, 150 degrees. See, 30 degrees and 150 degrees, these two are allied angles or not? Do either sum or difference. Do sum. 30 plus 150, 180 degrees. 180 degrees is 90 multiple only, no? So that's why these two angles are also called as allied angles. Now pi by 2 plus theta, pi by 2 plus theta comma theta, are these two allied angles? Are these two allied angles?
No, sir.
Why, sir? Sum or difference?
Yes, sir. Differences.
These two are allied angles because the difference of these two angles is 90 multiple. So that's why these two angles are allied angles only, either sum or difference. Now 3 pi by 2 minus theta, theta comma 3 pi by 2 minus theta, are these two allied angles? Are these two allied angles?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, these two also allied angles because sum is 270 degrees. It is a multiple of 90. Are these two allied angles? Are these two allied angles? Add both. Add it both. Add both will get theta theta get cancelled. Pi by 2 plus 3 pi by 2 value is 2 pi. 2 pi is a fantastic. 2 pi is the multiple of 90 degrees only. So that's why these two also allied angles only. So we discussed allied angles and coterminal angles. Okay, what is the coterminal angle of pi by 2? Coterminal angle of pi by 2, 2 pi plus pi by 2, 2 pi plus pi by 2. Okay, the terminal side must be same. So 90 degrees means this is the 90 degrees. No, this is one angle. And coterminal angle means again have to get a one complete rotation and 90 degrees. So that's why 2 pi plus pi by 2 is these two are coterminal angles. 4 pi plus pi by 2, 4 pi plus pi by 2, these three also coterminal angles. Okay, because their terminal side is same. Terminal side is same. So that's why these angles are called coterminal angles. Okay.